There's a lot of regulations that are being passed in the United States to drive food safety. And so we work diligently with our customers to make sure that that food is transported from the farm to the table and it's kept at the right temperature and it's safe for the consumer.
PLM does not do a one-size-fits-all for customers. We're personalized life cycle management. So we take a look at customers very uniquely, individually, on where they are. This is where it all begins for PLM, with our customers, at their distribution center. You are looking at 10 degrees below zero. This is where PLM really digs into what customers need. We try to learn our customers' business in order to properly spec and design the refrigerated trailer for them. It's just as important to know how that refrigerated trailer is loaded, how it is distributed through the supply chain, and then also how it's unloaded.
The Food Safety Modernization Act has changed the game in the way that we record information for refrigerated and frozen food products. PLM has truly been a great partner in putting together a FSMA program. They've helped provide us information, provide us data, and provide us record-keeping information so we can stay ahead of the game and be in compliance with our U.S. government.
ColdLink is a telematics solution that not only provides GPS location 24/7 on where your vehicles are all over the U.S., gives you utilization of those vehicles. So how frequent am I using them? Am I loading that vehicle all the time? How long is it sitting idle on location? But then the key is, am I maintaining the temperature? This is critical for customers in a temperature control environment because that allows them to have the proof to their customers and the consumer that during that length of haul, we maintained your product at that set point.
One of the things that changed the game for me was their on-site mobile services. Their people on these on-site mobile services are the same people today as they were when we started renting units from them. Anytime I call PLM with a problem, they're there to offer assistance and they're there to offer their people. And their people are what make the difference.
Our lease fleets are really there for mid-term to long-term commitments for customers, but we have multiple types of equipment from single-temps to multi-temps to tri-temps, 28s, all the way up to 53-foot trailers. That gives customers the ability to use that equipment when the business requires it.
PLM is more of a full-service company. They are worth the flexibility. So we're willing to pay a little more for trailers, knowing that the flexibility they provide saves us money in the long term.
We focused on stepping back with the customer and saying, how do you plan for your fleet? We have worked on the solutions to be able to build that trailer that's long-lasting, to make sure that you have a well-operating piece of equipment.